Hey, what's up guys, how is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, you're going to smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you get notified. So yeah, in this video we're going to be discussing on how to sell your music on Distrokid and how you can actually make money from your stress, because making music is actually a stress, and how you can actually benefit from your own stress. So we'll be looking at to what is Distrokid and how does it help you to make money from your music. So, and it was stated on the website that the easiest way for musicians to get music into Spotify and also make money as it's supposed to be. So, and we have option where you can actually sign up on Distrokid and upload your music on the platform and then start making money from your music. So this is the process on how you can actually get your music on Distrokid and how to upload your music to Spotify today. So this is just like a platform where it makes it more easier for you to put your music on Spotify. And also Distrokid also have a payment method which they actually use to pay you when your music is starts selling on the platform. So they will get your music into Spotify, then keep 100% of your royalty and then get paid on a monthly basis. So in Spotify, faster than any other music distributor. And then you can also see the price here, which says that $19.99 to upload unlimited album and songs for a year. So, and the competitors at least times two that just to upload one album. So there are some platforms which only allow you to just upload a single album or a music for at this certain price. But this platform allows you to upload unlimited music on a yearly basis for this same amount of price on the platform. So you can also keep all your earnings within the platform, and also they will send your earnings to any account you place or you put on the platform, while they send the money to any account at the end of the month. And these are some music that they actually support on the platform, as you can see here. Then these are the questions that people used to ask on the platform, and they made it available for everyone who is trying to partner with Distrokid to know what they will benefit and the rules and regulation on the platform before you can actually get started with them. So what is Distrokid? Distrokid is a service for musicians that put your music into online stores and streaming service. Then when people listen to your music, we send you your money. So this is just a straightforward way to explain what Distrokid is actually all about. So why should you use Distrokid? All of your music should be installed. Distrokid is the only service that lets you upload unlimited music to store for one low price. Other service may make you pay every time you upload music or anything on their platform. So what are people who use Distrokid? So Distrokid is for solo musicians, bands, DJs, performance producers, and YouTube content creators who record music at home or in the studio. So we have service for labels too as well, so you can actually look into it and see what if they actually invest for what you can actually do, and if you can actually partner with them. So how much of my sales does Distrokid keep? None. So you can see they take no amount of your fee, so you keep 100% of your royalty. So you have all your money, any amount you made from Distrokid, from your music, so Distrokid will pay you all your money. So these are the partners they actually partner with, so for Verbs, iBot, and some other digital music news, as you can see here on the platform. So scrolling down, we have more Distrokid love. So these are some artists that Chris, Megan Davis, and these are the comments they actually made about Distrokid and why you should also partner with them and upload your music to the platform and start making your money without any percentage fee from your music. So you own everything. You earn from your stress and from your music. So you can see different kind of people who are already partnering with them, so you can actually trust them and then move or upload your next music to the platform. So scrolling down, we're seeing different kind of people who are actually using the platform: artists, DJs, bands, and content creators as well. So still scrolling down to see more options and what people are actually saying about the platform. So this is the Distrokid store. Let's try to check on it to see what's going on there, and then probably the Distrokid names as well. So okay, this is Distrokid store. So these are really amazing. So this is Distrokid cap, shirt, yield, cap, and then the I think nail clipper. So these are really amazing. So you can try to shop with them anytime you feel like having or trying to showcase your love, interest in Distrokid. So these are really amazing. So you can see shirt, art, and then so nail clipper. So these are really amazing. So this is for you about Distrokid. If you are actually a musician, content creator, and maybe a live band, someone that are actually looking for a way to make money with their content, with their stress. So Distrokid is just the right place for you to get started, and then you'll see what you're gonna have at the end of the year, and then if they actually want it to partner with. So if you just like to proceed with them, you can just sign up here. Then you can sign up with your Apple ID, you can sign up with your Facebook, you can sign up with your Google account. So then you proceed on to upload your music to the platform. So this is all I have for you in this video, and I would also like to review some other music platform which might actually benefit you, and also you can actually check them if they worth your stress, or if they worth what you should actually try in the near future, or how if you can actually partner or trust them as well. So this is all for you in this video. Kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you'll see more content from this channel. And you subscribing to this channel will definitely mean a lot to me, as it will also push out this video to more artists, more musicians, more content creators to find this video helpful on how they can actually make money from their music, from their content. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.